under the sun. Ooh.
Good morning. It's departure day. We're so sad. First, we have to get some breakfast. Of course, the weather in Florida is awful. Sorry for any people from Florida who watch our videos, but I don't think we've ever been to Florida and had good weather. It's so bizarre. All right, so we are taking a shuttle. I went last night to go and book the shuttle, but they stopped booking the shuttle on day 5. So just remember that by day 5, you need to have your shuttle booked. Also, it's not that big of a deal. Once we get off the ship, there will be shuttles there, and you can just pay for the shuttle. I don't know how much it is, so I will let you guys know. I believe it's $20 a person, but it's just a shuttle to the airport. They didn't have it on the excursions list, and that's why I didn't book it ahead of time, so I had no idea.
Oh, Missy's downstairs.
Is it our last day, but we're basically leaving right now. So we've already gone up and we had breakfast. It's about 9 a.m. Our flight isn't until 7 p.m. We have some work to do. I have some editing to do. Ariel has some schoolwork to do. So we're going to get shuttled to the airport and then try and either Uber or take public transportation to the library, which is really close to the airport, and we're going to spend most of the day at the library just catching up on work and things like that, so we don't have to sit at the airport.
These are our last few minutes on the cruise. It felt like we just got on the ship, like 5 minutes ago, and we're already packing up and leaving. We're packing the neck pillow, we're packing everything. Gotta go.
Yes. Thank you.
Bye, Symphony.
If you put your luggage out at night, then when you wake up in the morning, when you come down and exit the ship, you have to pick up your luggage, and it's usually over in some section. They've put it all together in a section, and you have to figure out where it is. So you go by the number. So ours is number 37. That's on there. So you find 37, and then our luggage should be there. And it looks like Ariel's already spotted our luggage. And it's right under number 37. Go that way. Go right there, right behind her. And then don't move.
Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you. That was a little crazy getting out of there. Now we're just got to figure out how to get tickets for the shuttle. So he said that the Fort Lauderdale shuttle is full and there may be no more, so he's going to go and check right now. If we can't get a shuttle, then we'll have to take either an Uber or a taxi, which will cost a fortune. So we're trying to avoid that. So hopefully we can get a shuttle. So we found someone to give us a ride, a shuttle, like a private shuttle to give us a ride. And then he told us to just stand here, so we're just standing here. Little change of plans. We're not taking the shuttle, the private car that we were going to take. We looked it up, and a lot of the libraries by Fort Lauderdale Airport are closed today. So instead, we're going to take an Uber to the Miami-Dade Library. Always take the crazy route to get home. So our flight's not till later. We went to the library and hung out there. So then we took the Metro Rail, and that's where we are now. We got off at the Tri-Rail station. Now we have to take another train to get to the airport. All right, so we got to the Tri-Rail and we bought a ticket but we don't know what side of the track we're supposed to be on. There's track 2. And then there's track 1 over there. The train's supposed to get here at 3:27, and I hope it comes to track 2 because everyone moved from track 1 to track 2, so I don't know.
I'm sad.
We found the bus. Yay! We made it on the airport shuttle. This has been a long day. We are starving. It is now 4 o'clock. What time did we leave the library? 1:30, 1:40? I can't remember. And it's now 4 o'clock.
Wow.
Our flight leaves at 7:30 and we start boarding at like 6:50. So we're still good on time. But yeah, we gotta get there. We made it to the airport. It took us nearly 3 hours, but it only cost $13. So, all right, we made it in the airport and now we're trying to find Chili's because we're starving. We found Chili's. Are you happy?
Yes.
We've boarded our flight and we're headed home. It is
7:08.
7:08. We're off the plane and we're headed home. I hope you love these videos from Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas.
How do I turn this off?